Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do something a little crazy. So today I'm actually going to be repotting. It's not necessarily repotting. I'm taking a cactus out of a pot and putting it in the ground. I've never planted a cactus in the ground before. My mom and my stepdad have. But this is going to be interesting because I don't even know how I'm going to get it out of the pot. So here's the cactus. It's this guy right here. And I know you've seen it in the past couple other videos I filmed out here. But it is kind of hanging over the pot here. And my mom wants to get it out of here and in the ground. And I don't know if it's root bound, but it has grown about triple in size since we bought it. And if you cannot see all these spikes on this cactus. These up here, the new growth, don't have a lot, but there are tons of tiny, oh, there's a little bug right there. Okay. Tons of tiny spines here. So let's see how I'm gonna handle this. Here's Mom, half in the sun, half in the shade. Let me go over here and see if you can see. So I got her doing all the dirty work. Although Mom, I could have done this. And it's gonna go right here. So from the yard's perspective, it's kind of going to be right next to this, so we can always move this over if this gets too big, and then it's further or far enough away from this if this gets bigger that it'll be okay over there. There it is. Ooh, now getting it out of there. Mom, ooh. Did he get you?
Yeah.
Look at this pot.
Yeah, size of the pot.
Drip line isn't right there, right?
Ran into the drip line. Can we plant
Oh,
over
no,
it?
there's the main one right underneath it.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
So the roots, we can't plant it there because the roots
you
are
really
gonna...
don't want to. No.
We're gonna have to just go over more, babe.
Well, there's a bush here though.
No, I'm just saying a little bit.
Yeah, but you got to understand that's not going to stay that size. That's going to grow like crazy. You don't want it to grow into the bush.
Well, then there's nowhere to put it.
Okay, change of plans.
You got to tap it down first.
So there's a drip line that goes through here, and we can't plant that on top of the drip system. So we're going to take this little aloe out, this little guy, and we're going to put this in the pot we're taking that out of, and then we're going to plant that one right here. There's always some hurdles, you know?
Yeah, let me put some of this back. Be fine. There you go.
You just take it out and scooch it over.
Place it right over there where that dirt.
Look at those roots on that guy. Very pretty.
Well, you gonna need any of that?
Yeah, those look good.
No. Just don't want you to break no line. We'll...
It's running this way, so.
Shouldn't hit it.
Yeah, it should be because it goes along to that one.
Okay, I hope so.
Well, I can
There it is. You caught it.
It's right there. Oh no.
Wait. Maybe that was like that.
Oh, I think that's that long one there.
You caught it.
Did you though? Because where is
where's
it?
the other piece though? I don't think you did.
I don't see it.
I don't either, and this is hard as a rock.
The way, yeah, that could be it.
Dang it. Oh no.
It runs this way, out of the way.
Right.
And dig that one up and move it over. Run it more on a straight
You
line.
want to go through all that work?
Yeah,
It's a lot of work.
Or
So we are, well, I'm not, they are
move these both.
digging up the
you don't want
drip
it to run
line to see if
going
it's
to that-
running to the palm tree that
the
they
main.
just planted. And if it is, he's got to repair it now.
Forget this. Take
No.
this to go to the next. I keep thinking that this isn't connected, but maybe you're right. I don't know. I just feel like you didn't hit it hard enough to slice it like that.
Yeah, I
It
don't
doesn't
know.
take much.
No, it doesn't.
It's a very thin tube.
Yep.
There it is.
You're right.
But what's that other one then, Ted?
This one I think goes on its own to the main,
Oh, okay.
and so there are two lines.
So it
What?
still is getting water from one, but you wanted it to have two.
Yes.
Okay. It's like going back there though. Huh.
I mean, it is.
No ground here. There was no stone in there.
Yeah.
So they do bury them.
Yeah, so it leads right to the main. Okay.
Okay, so he's just gonna trim off some of this drip line and then he's gonna coupler it together and move it out of the way so that it's going this way and it's still feeding the palm. And then we're gonna plant it right here because we have to stay within this line because this is not their property and that cactus is gonna get big. So we're gonna put it like right there. And this is just a bigger project than we thought. Snip, snip.
That should be enough, like right here.
Yeah. Those are tough to get in there, right?
Yeah.
I know they have tools that like help you get them in there. Oh, there you go. Just puncture, yeah.
Kind of help push it in.
Because it's hard to grip it, right?
Yeah.
Because it's so thin. Gonna add some more drippy, drippy, drippy. Okay, we got it
pretty much it,
fixed.
pretty much it.
So now you're just gonna dig a trench there, move it out of the way.
Yeah, out of the way a little bit.
All right.
Here to here. Yeah, like this way.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Here. Yeah. So it'll stay down. Yeah.
Go ahead where my hand is.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to handle that stupid thing.
I know. We'll see.
It's so loose.
All right, guys. I know you can't see my face, but you can see my hands. So, you can see the plant.
There you go.
So what I'm gonna do is,
Oh, what's your arms?
Yeah, you got the rocks.
Do you need a shovel to dig the out of?
yeah, give me that shovel. Thank you. All right, guys. I know you can't see this, but there's no easy way for me to do it. So I'll show you the roots when I get it out.
Look at that.
These are all like fibrous roots. Put that in the soil. There it comes,
Here it comes.
like a baby. Is this tied around it?
Yeah. Do you want me to cut it?
Snip it, yeah.
Ted, can you get where your snipper's for this wire?
The pads that are falling off can be repotted, so I'm gonna hold on to those. Maybe I'll take them home. See all those spines in the glove?
Oh.
And that's why you wear gloves. So there is a stake in here that we're using to hold up the plant, so they're gonna cut it. Snip it like right.
It's one off completely, right?
Yeah, careful. Yeah. Use the paint stick to prop it up. Try to grab it from the base.
You're not gonna be able to with your arms.
I might have to make a little mess here, sorry.
Go ahead. Yeah, just get it out of there. Look at the spines on her thumb glove.
Yeah.
And then I gotta hit rocks in there.
That's
Okay.
gonna be. No, you need dirt in there. That's gonna be too deep.
Yeah, we need some soil.
What?
Let's see what that is.
Ooh, ooh. Tongs. You want the tongs to hold it up?
Just like that. I think that this is good.
Wow, we're high.
It'll
Yeah.
come up. Yeah, but
You know, because this is high here, Cole. I think you need to put
little more?
Yes. It is how deeper than I thought.
this, guys, there's like little fibrous roots and then real hardy roots. So lift it, yep. Perfect, Mom. Keep it right there.
Look at the babies down there.
I know, there's babies everywhere. and then top it with rocks. Hold on.
Well,
Watch my face.
If you need more dirt, you should use this dirt that's in the bucket here.
Okay.
You got to cover the roots with the dirt, not the rock.
Soil. Yeah.
This is going to be top.
Let it go
heavy.
for a second. Okay,
Yeah.
hold it up still. Keep it, hold it up. Hang on. Ooh. That's okay.
Yeah, there's nothing you can do about it, babe.
No, I could repot those. I planned on cutting a few anyway. Okay.
Mistake.
Let it go for a second. See?
Wow.
Yep.
Yep. A little bit more.
Yeah. We did lose a few pads, but I'm gonna repot those as soon as I get up. Maybe I'll show you that too if we can find a little planter somewhere. All right, guys, there it is. Look at that, my first cactus transplant. These are all the pads we lost, but as you guys know, these propagate really easily. I don't know what this is, if that's like a virus. I'm gonna get rid of that though. We cut that piece off, but there's a few here. So now we're gonna put this in this pot here. I'm going to trim up the dead stuff. Just a couple pieces. Pop her on in there. And backfill it. All right, I'm gonna add some more soil and then we'll...
Yeah, because the roots are on the top there.
All right, we're just gonna top it off with some stone here. Ouch. Looks good. Look at how cute, yay. Perfect. Okay, so I couldn't find a pot for these, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to bag them up and I'm gonna take them back home with me, and then I'll be able to repot them when I get home. Okay, I have all of my cuttings. I'm excited. I wanted to do this the last time I was here, so now was the perfect time because this is all that fell off while we were repotting. Now let me go show you what it looks like. Made it just in time because the sun is creeping around this corner. So look at how cute. Look at how cute. Yeah, give it a good water. Mom, you're getting me all wet.
Little water won't hurt anybody.
There we go. Perfect. Now let's go look at the aloe. Oh, she already decorated it. There is no chill with this lady. Look at, can't even see it. How cute. It does have some burnt tips here. That's probably from the sun. They had an abnormally hot summer with no rain. So that's probably what that's from. But the roots looked really good and it should grow really nicely. I moved the decoration to the back because that only makes sense, right? All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. It took a little longer than we expected, but we got the cactus from the pot to the ground. That was the point of this video and we accomplished it. And I can't wait to see how big that gets. Look for an update in November when I do my mom's cactus update tour because I'm excited to see how big that grows. All right, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one.